Are you looking for a reliable moving company in Juneau, Alaska? 3 Movers is your best affordable moving solution to or from Alaska. Our goal is to take the stress out of moving so you can focus on what's important to you. If you're too busy to do any of the work, we have packing and unpacking services available at a fair hourly rate. We offer local moving services for those small moves across town, long-distance moving across the state of Alaska, and of course, international and overseas relocation services in and out of Alaska. All of these great services are available for residential moves and corporate moves. We can even help you with storage of any size. 3 Movers also transports vehicles and other large items that you can't live without. Don't forget to ask about our insurance to give you the most peace of mind on your next move. Get a free no-obligation quote online at 3movers.com in just a few clicks. Or give us a call at 888-908-6496 to speak to a friendly customer service representative.